Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make an illustration like this, a woman face with floral on it. And sorry for my bad English. Actually, English is not my first language, but I want everyone from all around the world understand my video, so I will try to record my video in English. I got the inspiration for the face shape of the woman from this beautiful lady. So first I will make the picture bigger, and then I will lock the picture. This is just for inspiration, so I will leave it here and lock. First, I'm using my pen tablet. This is from Veikk. I don't know how it pronounced, but I say Veikk. And then I will turn on the brush. You can press B from your laptop, and then first I will make the brush accuracy to be in here in the middle, so it's not really accurate, it's not really smooth. Okay, and then I will make sure this is the brush, and then I will change the color to be black, or you can change any color you want. And I'm starting from her face, and I just take from this part, the neck part, and I will make it bigger. Press Z and then just zoom, and then the hand part, and B again. Let's make the okay, this is good. If you don't want to use the brush tool, you can use the pen tool actually. For this part, this line is not join each other, so we can zoom it and press A, this direct selection tool, and you can press this one and move it here. So it's quite close already. Okay, let's activate the line. You can press Ctrl Y so you can see it. Okay, and then press A again. Okay, this is already joined. Okay, and then you can press Ctrl Y again, and then Z again, and then you can zoom out, zoom in. Okay, I don't know. Okay, and this part as well, you can move the line, make sure this is join each other like this. Have quick look. Okay, this is pretty good actually. And okay, let's make the part of her nose. Okay. Okay. I think the stroke of the brush is quite big, so I will make it. This is 5 point round, so I will press the basic. It will not going to be really bold, thick. The brush is not really thick. Okay, enough with that. So let's make the flower in the leaf. Actually, I don't look any inspiration for the flower and the leaf part, so I just want to turn off the image so I cannot see the image, and I will draw the flower, use my imagination. Okay, let's get started. I think the flower will be here. What kind of flower do I want to make? Actually, I don't have any idea. Is it big? It's really big. Okay. Or if you want to change your brush from the beginning, you can press here and then double click here, and you can make it 1 point. Okay, leaf stroke. This already worked, so we're gonna delete here, as well as this one, and I start drawing. I don't know how long this video gonna take, but I hope this is not going to make this is not going to be very long. Okay, and this is the flower part. Let's make the. I just want to make the illustration to be a lot of leaf. Actually, I don't want to make a lot of flower. I don't know. I just don't like it. The part for using brush, actually, I like to zoom it really big like this, because I want to make sure that the line is joined really well. Okay. Basically, I was only copying this part and move it here, but actually this is not really good, so I want to make it pretty. So let's get started. And this is pretty much it actually, but I'm gonna make it, you will see. Okay, I will make the copy and I will, this is too small, I think. Okay, this is pretty much it, and I will make this to be expand appearance, so it will not going to change. The thickness of the stroke will not going to change, even you scale it to be bigger or to be smaller. Let's try to make some I'm grouping this and this one as well. Here, the original. Okay. Okay. And here, and this is to be in the bottom. I will not going to make it like circle, but I will make it a little bit an irregular circle. Okay, a bit like this, so it's not really circular. Just playing around with what color you like, and I think here can make it in the bottom. Okay, let's playing around again. Press A. In the middle, in the center. Yeah. Oh, it's so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so this is pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video. Consider subscribe and comment what kind of video do you want me to make in the future. Thank you. Bye.